In this video, we will show you how to make column on only one page in Microsoft Word. For example, here you have many pages on your Microsoft Word documents, and I will create a dummy text. This is I prepare a dummy text, and I will paste the all dummy text and creating more than one page. Okay, you can see. Let's see the loading process. It's 9 page, and I want to make the page 2 using column section, and after the column 2 is normal using just one column or just the normal page. How to do that? To make the column only one page, first you need to make sure your cursor is active on the start of the page. For example, if you want only the page to have the columns, you need to make sure your cursor is active on start here. Okay, in the page 2. Okay, then in here choose layout. After you choose layout, just select breaks and choose next page. Okay, select section breaks and click next page. Okay, after that you can block all of the text. Okay, I will block all of the text until the end of the page 2. You can hold shift and then click with left mouse. Okay, you can see. Then you can go to columns and you can choose to, for example, here. Okay, voila, now you have 2 columns, and after that it's normal, so the columns is only specific on page 2, not the others. And that's tutorial how you can create columns only one page on Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.